Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Toy Friendly Unboxed, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And shout out to all our new subscribers out there. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe, watch, and share our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. So today we're going to be featuring something unique again. This is for the girls actually. We're going to be featuring the 45th anniversary CHOGOKIN Hello Kitty. This is from Bandai and Tamashi Nations. Same guys who brought you the Soul of CHOGOKIN series of robots. And now this is Hello Kitty. And here we go. Hello guys, so this is the CHOGOKIN Hello Kitty 45th anniversary from Bandai and Tamashi Nations. This is CHOGOKIN, so basically there has to be metal parts here, like die-cast parts. So this is the front of the box. It's a small box, like 4 inches by 4 inches and 2 inches width, 2 inches thickness. And you get to see this exclusive Tamashi Nation sticker, and of course the Sanrio license sticker, which makes this super authentic. And on top is the CHOGOKIN logo in Japanese characters, and the side picture of the figure. Cool slogan there. At the back we see a warning sticker covering most of the photo, and also the Sanrio license here, and Bandai Spirits authentication. And on the other side, more photos of Hello Kitty. So let's open this one up and see what we have. So once opened, we get to see this mini instruction booklet and the figure itself with I believe some accessories here. So that's Hello Kitty. It's quite heavy as well. Well, being a CHOGOKIN figure, that's expected. So let's take him out of this plastic wrap, and let's see what we have. So these are what we get upon opening the package. We have this heavy CHOGOKIN die-cast Hello Kitty figure, which has an articulation in the head. It's pretty heavy. It's all die-cast. And she has all these accessories, like this milkshake bottle, and this one, which is a fish bowl with a goldfish inside, just cute. Also including this Japanese logo and a base, actually a ribbon base, but I believe it also doubles as a case where you can put in some of the accessories. Pretty neat. So let's put it all together. Let's see what it looks like. And here it is, guys. This is the 45th anniversary CHOGOKIN Hello Kitty. with the accessories, the milkshake and the fishbowl at her side. Pretty cute, especially if you're a fan of Sanrio and Sanrio characters, and of course Hello Kitty. Very nice. This is CHOGOKIN, so again, it's pretty heavy. It's die-cast metal, and there's really not much to say except for it's a cute, iconic pose by Hello Kitty. And this is again from Bandai and Tamashi Nations, so I believe this is still available in most of the Sanrio shops, and it's really cute, so perfect for your display. You can buy this in leading Sanrio shops and wherever Sanrio products are sold. This is again the 45th anniversary CHOGOKIN Hello Kitty by Bandai and Tamashi Nations. That was our show for today, and this is again the 45th anniversary CHOGOKIN Hello Kitty by Bandai and Tamashi Nations. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes. And also please visit our store, www.facebook.com/toyfriendly. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.